I didn't want another room in the house. I wanted to be outdoors, and the SummerSpace Porch Enclosures gives that to me. My favorite aspect, number one, is the fact that I have a full view of the lake, and that was the feel I wanted. I wanted a screened-in porch. My husband loved them because of the strength and the great construction. It was something we wouldn't have to replace in a few years, and everyone that comes is mesmerized by it. The SummerSpace product is very easy to use. We can slide the windows open, I can lift them up, and they're out. They do not weigh that much, and it's a lot easier for me. This puts me outdoors, and I don't have to deal with bugs. I really can't say enough about SummerSpace.